So today's property feature is a beautiful condo available here at the San Luis Resort. Right on the seawall. It's 5220. It's units 1436 and 1437. So they have put those two units together, one price, $729,900. With that, you get the benefits of all the resort living, which includes room service, housekeeping, and you get about 1,220 square feet of living space. You have a full kitchen, absolutely gorgeous, 2 bedrooms. But here's the thing with the San Luis Hotel, you can use this as a short-term rental. So you could rent this out when you are not using it, and all of the San Luis marketing and opportunity there, it is a great return on your investment. You want to know how good? Give the Quarter Team a call and we will let you know.